Hi, second grade friends. Today we're going to talk about good citizenship. Here's a quote from Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. We must remember that intelligence is not enough. Intelligence plus character, that is the goal of true education. You should have already listened to the book Being a Good Citizen. If not, you can go back to the Asynchronous Friday chart and choose that book to listen to. So what is a citizen? A citizen is a person who legally belongs to a country and has the rights and protections of that country. How to be a good citizen. Do your share to make your school, community, and the world a better place. Follow the rules of your family, your school, and your society. Take responsibility for what goes on around you. Get involved with your community. Do the right thing even when no one is looking. Protect the environment. Treat people with respect and authority. Be a good friend and vote. So right now, I just want you to think of a good citizen in our community and just think about how they are a good citizen. Maybe you're thinking of police officers who protect us or firefighters who keep us safe and put out fires. Maybe you're thinking of a friend who helps clean up parks or take care of others. Maybe you're thinking of a neighbor who helps you or checks in on you when you need it.